When assessing the risks that threaten these invaluable artifacts, understanding the environmental elements at play becomes paramount. These elements, both subtle and powerful, shape the preservation challenges that custodians must confront. The environmental elements that can affect risk levels in cultural heritage institutions are the following. Climate and weather. The climate of a region exerts a profound impact on cultural heritage. Factors like temperature, humidity, precipitation, and even changes in seasons can trigger deterioration. Extreme weather events, such as heavy rainfall, intense heat waves, and freezing temperatures, can accelerate decay, leading to structural damage and material degradation. Geographical location. A heritage site's location, whether near water bodies, mountains, deserts, or urban centers, determines its exposure to specific environmental risks. Coastal sites are vulnerable to saltwater corrosion, while seismic zones face the threat of earthquakes. Each locale demands tailored preservation strategies. Natural disasters. Earthquakes, floods, tsunamis, hurricanes, and landslides have the potential to devastate cultural heritage. These unpredictable events demand comprehensive disaster preparedness plans, including emergency evacuation and immediate artifact protection strategies. Air quality and pollution. Airborne pollutants such as smog, industrial emissions, and acid rain can corrode and erode materials over time. Pollution not only affects the physical condition of artifacts, but also tarnishes their visual appeal and cultural significance. Urbanization and development. Rapid urban growth and construction near heritage sites can alter water drainage patterns, disrupt ecosystems, and increase pollution levels. These changes often introduce new risks that must be considered. Cultural practices. Local cultural practices and traditions can inadvertently impact heritage sites. For example, rituals involving fire, smoke, or offerings can lead to direct damage if not managed properly. Climate change and long-term trends. The shifting climate patterns caused by global warming bring about long-term changes in environmental conditions. Rising sea levels, shifting precipitation patterns, and altered temperatures pose evolving threats that require adaptable preservation strategies. In the tab dedicated to the environmental context, the user will find questions dedicated to analyzing the area surrounding the building where the collection is kept. These questions are aimed at identifying possible threats that may come from the environment. The questions investigate aspects such as the geographical location of the building, the surrounding urban and natural elements, the known risks of the area, the disastrous events that have occurred in that area in recent years, and the accessibility of the roads leading to the building, a fundamental element for understanding the ability to reach the site in an emergency. A holistic understanding of these environmental elements enables heritage custodians to assess risks accurately and develop mitigation strategies that safeguard cultural treasures. In this delicate dance between nature's forces and human preservation efforts, the harmony lies in nurturing heritage for the future while respecting the natural world that has shaped it.